All right, welcome to Office Hours. Thanks for joining. For those of you who haven't joined, it's pretty straightforward. The Q&A button beneath here, so go ahead and ask whatever questions you have, and I will answer them in the order that I get them as best as I can. So let's get started here. All right, this first question is from Kai. I have a client selling approximately 20 courses through MemberMouse Checkout, and I'd like to add in abandoned cart functionality. Is this something that exists or is supported? There isn't something that we officially call abandoned cart functionality. So the only way that you're going to know if somebody's abandoned a cart in MemberMouse is if they actually submit the form. First of all, MemberMouse doesn't have a cart. So a cart is something that's more associated with systems that actually where you place multiple items in a cart, like you're shopping and you have physical products usually, and you click, say, I want that, I want 2 of these and 4 of these, and you put them in the cart and then you go check out. That's not what MemberMouse is designed to do currently. Basically, it's designed to purchase one digital thing at a time. I mean, it does support shippable products, but it's designed to support one purchase at a time. So technically, there is no concept of a cart in MemberMouse. So there is no object in our world currently that is a cart, and therefore, if people put something in a cart and then don't check out, you can do something with that. We don't have that concept, so there is no way currently to do anything with people who have not purchased something when going to the checkout page. Of course, if you wanted to implement something, you could capture through JavaScript, you know, people landing on the checkout page, and you could add your own custom JavaScript to gather the data from the form and put it somewhere in the event that they don't actually submit the form, but that would be custom development. So short answer is no, there's nothing currently in MemberMouse that supports abandoned cart. What I will say is, if they actually submit the form, then and the purchase doesn't go through, then you do have some opportunities, because at that point they'll be in the database, but the status of their account or the purchase will not be complete. So you could potentially go through and look at, okay, whose account, who submitted an order but it ended in an error, or if you are working with PayPal, if they click to buy but they don't complete the process on the PayPal side, you will see accounts in MemberMouse pending activation. So in that sense, you could review go to your manage members and review what accounts are in pending activation status. But again, that's only if you're using PayPal or some other on-site, third-party off-site process, where off-site provider like ClickBank or PayPal or whatever, and they don't complete the process. This next question is from David. I have 2 free membership levels. One is introductory and is set as the default, and 2 is contributor. If I set a confirmation page to free, will it direct both free levels to this page or just the default one? It'll direct both free membership levels to that page. However, if you do want to distinguish, if you do want to be able to distinguish between people on the page, you could use the member decision smart tag, insert it into the free page, and have a block, a member decision block that basically says, if membership ID is whatever it is associated with the introductory one, show this content. If membership ID is the ID of the contributor membership, then show this content. So while it's going to be the same page technically for free membership levels, there is, using the decision smart tags, a way that you can alternate between content you want to show people based on what membership level they're on. To get more information about that, you can go to support.membermouse.com, and in the search bar, type in member space decision, and then you should see at the top of the list, it'll return an article on the member decision smart tag. And you will find examples at the bottom. If you scroll down to the very bottom of that article, you'll find examples of exactly how to use a smart tag. So in that way, you'll be able to make that content dynamic and applicable to whoever is viewing that confirmation page, regardless of which membership level they purchased. Okay, so I think that, you know, that was all the questions that we had for today. So we're going to wrap this one up early, unless anybody has anything else. Okay, well, I appreciate you joining, and I hope you all have a great weekend. And I will see you on the next installment of Office Hours. All right, see you later.